Let me share my screen. Let me know once you see. Tell me, you are able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it is visible.
Okay. So any doubt relating to any query, any chart related to leaks? Because we have yesterday we have maintained these kind of cards, total sales, total profit, and the highest sales, most profitable, quantity ordered, and one is the sales by year. It's normal as the column chart. Okay. So any doubt related to this? Otherwise, we will move further. What are the multiple row chart, table, maps? We are discussing more. Any doubt in which, and like we are already
Mentioned
preparing.
whatever you did yesterday.
Yeah, sorry.
Can you go through the steps again for the visualization, the which you did yesterday?
Yeah, sure, sure. First of all, we choose the card. Okay.
The overview, what you have taught yesterday, you can
Yeah, right,
give the
right, right.
overview.
See, first of all, we choose
Okay.
the card and card from here visualization. Okay. And it's for numerical card. Out of this, suppose in this card, when we select the visualization, there's a field option. It's sales. So we are dragging the drop on the sales and it's total sales. Second is one is profitable. Okay. How much is profit for the total sale? So we the same card is popping again and the field is showing the profit only. And the third one is like fonts, highest sales by subcategory. So in which how we determine is like this fonts, and we will move the field under the subcategory. This name I rename after the session like subcategory. The highest sales I would rename from here like rename for the visual. Okay, that's second option. And subcategory would be filtered to drag and drop into the field area, and then subcategory would fill the this area. Like I will show you again. Subcategory transfer to this area, and after that we are choosing the top man because we need a one highest sales by accessory or by subcategory. So top one on the basis of sales. So on the basis of sales, we drag by the value and apply filter. So same, this is the highest sales of the phone, and second one is highest profitable, means most profitable. But it means the total number of sales is phones, higher is the higher sales of the phones, and most profitable is the copier. Like the same area, people like here the buy on the basis of profit. Here we put it the on the basis of profit. Suppose here by value on the basis of profit and apply filter and highest quantity ordered in the total number of transactions, which is highest quantity ordered binders. Okay, so on the basis of we are calculating the quantity on the basis of quantity ordered. And the next one we are preparing one simple table like this one is the simple table. Okay, which we are providing some subcategory sales, profit, and quantity. Sorry, please mute yourself if you are talking to someone else. Otherwise, you can talk to me if you have any doubt. So these are the table. When we click on the table, there is some value like what we drag and drop from the visualization or from the fleet area to the visualization, like subcategory, sales, profit, and quantity. If we remove something from here, then we click on the cross button, goes like this, and the quantity is going upon. And the last one, we move the quantity here again. So it's complete table after sales, profit, and quantity. And last chart is sales by year. Last chart is sales by year. Okay. So sales by year means a 2016, 17, 18, and 2019. It's just a simple column chart. And on the page second, we are preparing the just table. I have copied the table and matched with the these amount. These fonts like this highest sales. Highest sales is fonts and highest profitable is copier, and highest quantity sold is binders. The both three are coming in the same scenario. So these card we needed for the like in when we click on the 2016 in which the highest sales is phone, most profitable is phone, and quantity order is binder. As compared to 2019, see, highest sales is phone, most profitable is copier, and highest quantity ordered is binders. As well as we are making some of the slides are related to suppose here is the blank range area range. I think it is not connected to this, so that's why it's blank. So don't worry, we will remove this one, send it to again. Okay, so in area 2018 there is a chair, copier, and binder. When we click outside, it says a full chart. Okay, and on the second page we have the table, and on the third page we have the sales by a subcategory. It's a this one chart. When you click on the visualization, it's a simple column chart, stacked column chart. Okay, under which we have the category wise sales, and we are formatting the tables as well as, and these are the formatting tools under which we are analyze some the data table. Suppose there is a data table, so will be on the data table showing this kind of areas as well as in the page 4 we using the sales by subcategory as well as with reason. It's the stack column chart with reason wise. Suppose when we click on the visualization, these are the area like subcategory. In the legend, we provide the reason. It means the total sales is the into phones is total and divided into 4 regions: central, east, south, and west, as well as for the each subcategory. And on the page 5, we are making the sales by region and segment by ranking. Suppose West region is the top first ranking under the consumer category, under the consumer segment. Corporate segment, the West region is top one, and home office is also a West region is top one, and it's the ranking wise. Suppose you have maintained the total sales amount is 359,008, here is 362,880, and here is 252,031, and the last one is 195,580. It's the ranking wise scenario. And page 6, we are providing the same area like subcategory and region, but I am going to share with you that what is include and what is exclude. Exclude is what and include is what. Suppose if we compare this area between this area, then we need to right click on the visualization and include. It means only compare with these two data. These are the include area, and how to remove this one? Click on the close button and then back. And what is exclude? Suppose if we do not need this area, then press Control and select and click right click and then exclude. It means these two data excluded from the visualization. Okay, so we have closed this one. And page 7, I'm going to share that suppose if we need this area, if we need this area and we need to this area send it to our manager, like our manager tell us that please provide chair highest data, chair highest category, highest season data, like chair and the send. This area is the east data. So select this area, click and show data point as table. Click one, see the whole table is generated and then directly share to your manager export data. So these are the area we have covered in the last session. So any doubt in which you have, please let me know. Then I will clear your doubt for this visualization. Any doubt? Vinay? Anyone? Harish? Over? Any doubt related to this? Shubham?
No.
No, Harsh, as of now, I mean, all is clear, so you can go ahead. Yeah.
Yeah, so we move ahead. So right now we move ahead. Like yesterday, some of the person asked me to can we make a card with 2 or 3 top 2 or 3 cards, top 2 or 3 subcategory. So today we are creating the cards with 2 or 3 subcategory. Here is the option you see that multi-row card. Okay. So when we click on the multi-row card, it's open. Like suppose in which card we have shown you the subcategory. You put it here. Okay. It's total subcategory. See accessories, appliance, arts, binders, bookcase, chairs, all the subcategory, and you put it sales also. See subcategory and sales. Click up. Suppose we need only just 3 and higher sales. Like on the page 1, here the phone is the highest sales and it is the number 1 highest sales for all the years 2016 to 2019. Suppose it to page 8, here we need top 3 or top 5 highest sales. So how to find higher sales? Can anyone let me know how to find? Because it's just a simple. I have told you the single one. It's the same area. Can anyone tell me about that? How?
Tap in
Sorry.
need to mention tap in data, sir.
Yeah, just a drag
Need to
and
mention tap in data.
yeah, right. So we need to subcategory into the subcategory area. Like here, add data frame, and here we need to only the filter on the visual. There is a many option. Filter on the page and filter on all page. So you need to drag and drop only on the filter on this visual. You can remember this one. Filter on this visual. Otherwise, you can suppose if you drag and drop filter on this page, it means these are covered on this page. If you drag and drop on this page, filter on all pages, it means it is covered for all the pages. Okay, so please remember that filter on this visual only. Sorry, this visual only, and do the same thing which I already show you. Top and choose how much you want, like 3 or 5. Suppose I need 3. Okay, on the basis of what? Suppose we need the higher sales, higher category on the basis of sales. So we need to track sales by value and apply filter. Suppose see there is the top 3 category by sales: chair, phones, and storage. And it's for all the years. Suppose I will track one slicer. Like first I format this. Format is what the title on. Okay. Suppose if we need to title on that category and we put the title on its top 3 sales by category. Okay, so it's just a simple top 3 sales by category and some more formatting like let me do it. Background area is you need to format as per your schedule or as per your requirement, but do a same formatting for all the pages. Text size you need to select the same, otherwise your data is not a correct one. Then we need to click it over and close. And then one more thing like we need to put border and shadow. This is top 3 sales by category. Okay, you can also change the background also if you want. Like you need a background color like this, so you need to this and like this. Okay, and first of all, I put a slicer here and put the order. It means it is the calendar here, and it's for full year 2016 to 2019. Suppose I drag it to down, then it's already changed. Top 3 sales by category, like chair, machine, and phones. If I drag down, it's also changed. Chair, phones, and storage. See, it's changing by the years or in duration. Suppose if we move here, then chair, phone, and storage. This top 3 sales by category. And same, we need a top 3 profit category, top 3 profitable category. So click over there, copy and paste. the same scenario, you don't need to format again and again. That's why we need to copy same and paste. Suppose in this scenario, we need a top three category on the basis of profit. So we need to drag and drop and remove the sales here, and on the basis of profit. See, on the basis of profit is chair, phone, and apply filter, accessories, copier, and phones. On the basis of profit, and you need to change the title only that what top three profitable category. Top three profitable category. Okay, and under this, suppose we need a top three quantity ordered by subcategory. Top three quantity order means here we need to change the sales on the basis of quantity. So drag and drop quantity and apply filter. See, highest number of quantity is binders, furnishing, and papers. As per the calendar, if you see, suppose if we drag and drop here, you need to change this heading also, like the title, top three quantity order. Top three order by category. Okay, like binders, furnishing, and papers. These are the cards for a these are multiple categories. Okay, and on the page one, I have shown you that a single category, number one, yes, and on the page eight, we are showing you the top three as well as you need a top 10, top 5, top 7. So you need to calculate as per the requirement and put it here as per the general like this. So any doubt from here that we need to cover that this part covered. Multi-row card is covered. So any doubt in multi-row card? Anyone? Otherwise we will move further. Shubham, Vicky, Vinay, any doubt?
We can move further.
No doubt, sir.
Okay. So everything is clear till now? Yeah. So next chart is we need to move further on maps. Okay. So how to make a maps? Let me show you. Suppose you need to click over there, map. Suppose it's bigger, I will make the bigger format in the full page because map need to a full space. Okay, and drag and drop to one thing like there is a field location, region, latitude, longitude, and size as toolpath. So how to drag and drop and what are the items you need to drag and drop? Suppose it's a map, so you need a country-wise or a state-wise sales. Okay, so put state into the location. Okay, put state into the location and see there is a let me show you the full page. See, when you put the state, it means you have that these are the states: India, North Dakota, and this one Montana, and this one is Washington. These are the covers in which these are the these are the sky blue dot. It is mentioned in our Excel file. Okay, in our raw data. So how to it's all the same, but sales is not the same. So we need to drag sales into the click on the map back suppose and click map. After that you need to put on the size sales. When you put it sales on the side, see there is a bubbles size is increasing as per the sale. Where the highest sales, the highest number of bubbles is bigger. Washington is that sales. See, Washington is 85, 355. California is highest sales. Montana, these kind of sales. So as per the sales area, the bubbles is size is increasing. Okay, so this is the simple map chart. how to drag and drop. It's just a simple that you need a state-wise sales in a US. Suppose we have a Excel file in which we have a United States data and each state like California, South Washington, these kind of area we have. What are the blue dots area? New Mexico. And as per the click on the over here, it's a state Utah as well as Celsius amount is 4283. Okay. So any doubt in this chart? It's just a simple chart, simple map chart. There is a many more map chart. I have told you the formatting also, like how to format the map chart. Click over there, go to format. There is a map control or there is a map style. See, there is a map style. How much map style? See, dark. When you put it dark, see, there this kind of chart. Light, this kind of, okay, and grayscale is a this kind of, as well as road is the original what I show you earlier. And what are the like background, you need to change background color, so change the color as well as, see, there is a background color change, you need to put some black color, okay, and border shadow as well as what are the formatting you needed, you do. And you will also increase the bubble size also as well as, see, the bubble size increasing, higher the sales the higher the bubble. Okay, so any doubt in the simple map chart? Shall we move further?
No doubt, Yes, sir. yes.
See, this visualization is important, but when important, suppose when you do a multiple country task like India, US, China, Japan, like in the Corona scenario, we need every country chart in a different map. Okay, so then we need this kind of reports or this kind of chart we needed. Okay, so I will show you some advanced maps also, like on the area, like click on the maps, like here I will show you the full. First of all, I will do formatting like state, the location. You need to drag and drop, simple state, as well as you need a sales on the size area. Okay, so I will show you now. See, here is the higher sales as per requirement, and you need to click, roll down your mouse, and you put it how much sales in this area, Missouri 22205. Okay, and put it here. Then you need to search your United States, because in our data we have only United States data, and under there these are the complete states. As well as there is a multiple map like field map. You need to click over there and it's a file field map. See, United States complete field area. Okay, it's a complete United States. And as well as you need to format as per your requirement, like map style you need. Suppose we need a light or we need a dark. So you can choose this map style also. Okay, complete United States in the one chart as well as. So, so right now I will show you the map chart, map with a pie chart. I mean, in this bubble area, I need to put some pie chart area. Like what is the pie chart? Pie chart is a circular chart under which all the categories to shown in the pie chart. Like select the chart as well as on the go to field. See, there is a legend option. Okay, so you need to put the category on the legend. To put the category into the legend, see there is a pie chart over the sales. But you need to see there is a one difference. When I remove the sales here, see every pie chart is the same size. See every pie chart is the same size. See, okay, every pie chart is the same size. But when we put the sales area on the size, see pie chart is changing as per the requirement of sales. Like In the North Korea, there is only a office supplies, but in the Montana, we need technology as well as office supplies. But in the this area like Vernon, there is only furniture category. Okay, and in this area, see there is a New York under the technology. So this one is a map with a pie chart. It is the name with a map with a pie chart. So it's clear to you all.
Yes, sir.
Anyone? Vinay, Shubham, Kumar, any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Harish,
Yes.
Vicky, Sadik.
It's
Okay,
fine.
okay. Then we move further. So here the option is completed that map with a pipe chart. So we have covered a two map.
Harsh, hello.
Yeah,
Sure, sorry to interrupt you.
yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
so as of now, just I mean, we are doing this thing on map. I mean, let's say if this is a case of international projects. Okay, so we are working on the I mean international data. So
Yeah.
let's say if this is a case of India, like statewide, so can we
Okay.
do on the same tab? I mean, on the same BI tool,
Yeah, yeah.
just for
Same.
country example.
Yeah, yeah. No,
Yeah.
no. Same DI tool. I will show you later. Next is the
Okay.
same. Next is the same thing. I will show you. Okay.
Okay.
Next is the
Okay.
same India chart. I will tell you how to make a India chart. So click over there. For India chart, we have a one data. We have a one Excel file for India chart. I will show you how to make the India chart in the Power BI.
Okay. 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 Okay.
Next one is the this point also. I have covered the line by line. Okay.
Hmm.
See, here is the India, states, and here is the population. Okay. So I can cover this area into the map. So how to cover? The simple step. First we move to this Excel into the Power BI because we have already one Excel in Power BI.
Yes.
Okay, this one. Like I will show you this one sample store data. These Excel files not in the Power BI. So first we need to export. How to export? Get data, export this file and open. As our data is already clean, so we don't need to transform the data. Okay, because the main area I want to learn, I want to teach you here that make all the visualization. Then visualization part is over. Then we cover the transform area because transform area is a higher, large wide area under the some circumstances. So we need a transform area after the visualization part. Okay, so suppose here I put it tick and status United States. See, when you tick here, all the data are here, state and population. Okay, so we need to load directly because data is already clean. So we don't need to put the data into the transform state. It's our one steps increasing. So that's why. See, our second table is here. So simple, you can do map. Click on map. Okay. This time we need to choose this map, field map. Okay, and put it state. Put it state. See, there is the India chart. Complete India highlighted. Suppose if you drag and drop into the this chart, see there is a complete India chart. Okay. Any doubt? Because chart is very simple. You need to just file to extract the data as well as you need to put the data into the cleanest form. After that visualization part is very easy. Like we need to build map. These are the simple India chart and cover as per your requirement. The map style is support we need to dark. See, here is a complete India chart. You need to put it here like Ladakh, Punjab, Rajasthan, these areas, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, as per your requirement, Assam, here is Karnataka. So as per your requirement, you need to cover all the charts in the field map. Suppose you have India as well as Sri Lanka as well as China as well as Saudi. So you need to put it together as well as and on the field area you need to chart India, China, Nepal, Pakistan as well as you need to put all the chart together as well. Suppose here, like put it here, like this is India chart. Second one is China chart and second one is Australia chart. Okay, because we have just a simple data, it's mean India and population, it's a India chart. If you have Australia chart with the area, like I will show you, but I will show you Australia chart with a new way. Like in Excel file on the sheet second, we have a Australia chart. Okay, Australia state as well as Australia area chart. Area chart means a total Australia area covered area wise as well as total Australia states. So how do we put this area? Suppose there is a simple way. Put the extract file and sheet to extract and after that making the visualization. But I will tell you in the new way, like enter the data by you manually in the Power BI. How to enter the data in the manual? Simple step. India is here. See, home, there is an option is enter data. Click here. Okay, the new window is open. Okay, then you need to copy this area directly and go to this and paste directly. Undo header and edit. Why we edit? I will tell you. See, when we edit, there is a new window open. What is Power Query Editor? And why we need this? See, number one row, state and area. It does not make sense that state and area under the column 1 and column 2. So how to make this? I already told you earlier classes, like in the demo classes, I already told you that how to make a first row as a header. It means you need one option here, choose first row as a header. Click over there. See, when you click over there, one step is changed. Suppose we need to promote it means when you back over there, let's see what are the back area, and what are the new area. Promoted header. It means we need to use first row as header and then close and apply. So our meeting will end in 5 minutes and we will take just 5 minutes break and we will come again and join again. Okay. Okay, guys. See,
Okay.
data is entered manually. Okay, so you need to rename this one. Suppose rename as a Australia data, Australia map, and click over there. Use a new map. Choose a new map here. Put it together and put it directly state. See, let me show you. It's Australia. And make the formatting as per your style. Like I will save the formatting like that. See, it's India and it's Australia. So you need to put a simple way, like on the Excel as well as you put it the manually data. So we have covered the both chart, simple chart as well as a pie chart with a pie chart as well as field chart as well as manual chart. How to enter the manual data into the Power BI. It is the same way to enter data into the Power BI. You need to copy and paste as per your requirement. Okay.
Means there are two ways to extract the data. Like
Yeah.
first to get data and second is manually.
Yeah, right. It's a many way. Really, it's a many way.
Okay, okay.
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 So you need to put whatever you want because
So I think get data is quite easy as compared to that.
Yeah,
enter data.
see, everything is easy, but sometimes we need to enter the manual data under some circumstance, like we need to some 4 to 5 row data. Suppose we need it, so we don't need to add the data into the Excel. We need to enter the manually and put it together into the charts. Into
So
the
what happen if we'll add data directly like we do
no
without entering,
nothing.
without using that enter data?
Yeah, nothing happen, because if we put it on the Excel, that we need to refresh and check again in the sheet too, and the data
Okay,
is
okay.
collected on the area.
That
And
is why we need to. That is why we need to enter manually.
yeah, right. That is the
Okay,
reason.
okay.
Okay.
Yes,
So
yes.
here the chart is India and Australia is covered on this area. So next we will cover after the break. So any doubt till now? Anyone?
No.
If anyone any doubt regarding any question
Sir,
related to the project,
I have one doubt, sir.
yeah, tell me.
Sir, I want both countries' data in single map, sir. Is this possible?
Okay. Both country data in a single way. So
Yes,
you need
yes.
to, yeah, let me tell you. Suppose it's India. Okay. It's the India state. Suppose you need to enter here also, like India is the main state, under which it's a sub state, and as well as Australia in the India is the main state, and state of the Australia is the sub state, and make a population and put it the file together. Put it the file together. Then you need to separate. You need to make two chart into the one one map.
Okay, sir.
Clear?
Clear, sir.
Yeah, right. So any doubt, anyone related to any query that related to how to work in a Power BI? How much is the experience for you till now? Power BI? It's good
That's good. And we will practice. Then we will
Yes, sir, going good.
to have to make a practice. Otherwise,
Yes, yes.
repeated the steps
Practice
as
is
well.
first.
Suppose I do this step once, so you need to step do 5 times. Otherwise,
Yes, yes. Then only.
Yes, sir. Definitely, sir.
make your, like I will show you the WhatsApp. There is a multiple. I am also doing a multiple steps daily basis, because I know I am also forgettable. I am also a human. Okay, so we need also a practice for this chart as well as Excel as well as advanced. Okay, so let me
Yes.
tell you something. Suppose the meeting will be ended after some time, maybe